Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you the new update from WhatsApp business. For now on, in my country especially, I'm from Indonesia by the way. I don't know, on your country, it's supposed to be similar or the same. So now WhatsApp, now we could broadcast to the labels, which is the very feature that I waited ever since I'm using the labeling on WhatsApp. So what you have to do, you just please press on the triple dot upper here, and then click this business broadcast, and then you can click plus like usual broadcast. But now we have new audience. When I click on it, I have all my labels on it. So I'm using CRM using WhatsApp, which is I'm labeling all my leads and paid customer and so on. Now I could broadcast directly to all my leads. That's very easy. But one more thing, I think the one stumble from WhatsApp business, it's still maximum about 256 audience or numbers. So for instance, on my one, I have 1,000 paid customers. I couldn't, when I click on it, oh wow, now it happens. Now I can click, wow, that's so nice. Oh no. I mean, all only the contact that I already saved, perhaps, or they already saved my one. Okay, never mind. Actually, this is a good progress from WhatsApp business. I could broadcast for the label that I made in the past. So what's the purpose of the label if I'm unable to broadcast? So good job, WhatsApp. I can wait for the next update for this feature. Thank you for watching. See you in this video later.